Welcome to the Little Playhouse. Today's episode is called Bluey and Roo's Wild Farm Day. Enjoy the show and please subscribe.
Well, alright Bluey. Time for you to go visit the farm.
Yay!
Your whole class is here waiting for you.
Okay.
And, well, I guess I'll just stay here with the car since your teacher's waiting for you.
Okay.
Have fun. Hey Bluey.
Hi.
Are you excited for our farm days?
Yes, it's gonna be so great.
Well, everyone's kind of walking around together. Do you want to be my partner today?
Yes.
We can look at everything together.
Okay.
Ooh, a horse.
His name is Popcorn.
Hello, Popcorn.
Oh look, a farm cat.
Farm cat? I've always wanted to see a farm cat.
They take care of all the animals.
They do?
Yeah.
How do they do that?
They just go and check them out.
Oh, he seems so nice.
Yes.
What do you think his name is?
I don't know.
Should we name him?
Yeah.
What should we name him?
Maybe Fluffy?
I like Fluffy. Hello, Fluffy.
Meow.
Let's go look at more animals.
Okay, let's look at the cows.
Ooh, cows.
Yes, 3 cows.
Hello, 3 cows.
Moo.
Do you think there's a mommy, a daddy, and a baby?
Yeah, probably the biggest one is the daddy, the one with horns. The littlest one is the mom, and then the little smallest one is the baby.
Oh, they seem so nice.
Hee
Look out, there's a turkey behind you.
hee.
Hello, turkey, we didn't see you.
Gobble gobble.
I think it seems to be nice.
Hee hee. He's pretty.
I think there's a sheep up in the window.
Oh, look, it's sheep. It's sheep up there.
I didn't know sheep could climb.
They put him up there. Some animals go and sleep and go in the barn.
Oh, of course, a nice little house for them. Well, on to the next ones.
Let's go see maybe the big goats.
The big goats, I like it.
Instead of the baby goats. The baby goats are like no horns.
Oh, let's
Small.
go see the big goat. Bluey,
What?
do you notice anything missing?
No.
Well, this is the goat pen, but I don't see any goats.
Let's see what the name says. A says goat. O so goat.
Goat?
Where's the goat then?
Do you think he's lost?
Yeah. Maybe we should look for him.
Like an adventure?
Yeah.
Oh, right. I love adventures. Maybe we should check the flower garden first.
Yep. The power line.
Let's go. Hello, little watering can.
Hi.
We have a little problem.
What is it?
Well, there's a goat missing.
Yeah. So we were going to look for him. Well, I was just watering my flowers.
Have you seen a big goat?
Oh yeah, he tried to eat them.
He tried to eat your flowers?
Yeah.
Oh no.
But don't worry, I poured water on him.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. He just acted like it was a pool party. Well, that's funny, but did he do anything else? No, but he did eat a little bit of my grass.
Well, I guess we should try somewhere else, Bluey.
Okay,
Where do you think we should look?
let's go to the pond.
Perfect, let's go.
Back at the cove, Dad.
Just waiting on my Bluey. Do-do-do-do. Hello, little pond animals.
Okay, hello.
Well, we have a little problem, and we were hoping you could help us.
Ooh, what is it?
Well, the goat escaped, and we were trying to find him.
Oh.
We went to the garden, and he ate some of the flowers, but then the watering can poured water on him and he ran away.
Oh.
Have you seen the goat at all?
Yeah, he tried to drink our water.
He was here, he was here. Well, where did he go?
He ran that direction. Behind you. He ran behind you.
Well, off we go.
Maybe we'll catch him this time. Back at the cove, Dad.
Still just waiting on my Bluey. Do-do-do-do-do.
Excuse me, Owl.
Oh, who is bothering me?
Yes.
Oh, what do you want, hoo-hoo?
We want to know there's a goat escape, and we want to know if you have seen anybody.
Oh, hoo-hoo, during the day I don't see very much. But, oh, hoo-hoo, I did see a little goat, hoo-hoo.
On your goat.
He was here, and he tried to climb my tree, hoo-hoo.
Oh my.
But I shooed him away.
Oh. Did he try to swing on your swing?
He did try to swing on my swing, hoo-hoo. But he ran away, and I don't know where he went, hoo-hoo.
We might need Dad for this.
Well, I guess we could go find your dad and ask for his help.
Let's go. Bye, Owl.
Hoo-hoo, good night, you mean.
Back at the cove, Dad.
Wonder how long it takes to get my Bluey. Do-do-do-do.
Dad, there's a goat in the car.
What? What'd you say?
There's a goat in the car.
Goat? There's no goat in our car.
Turn around and you'll see.
Why would I turn? There's a goat in our car. How did a goat get in our car?
I don't know.
Well, I guess we gotta get the cheeky little fellow out. Come on, push. Push him, we'll get him there. Alright, goat, back in your pen. Whew, we did it. That was quite the adventure at the farm.
Yep. Until next